Wow, as you can tell, it's kind of cold today, and well, I wasn't planning to make this video. My camera was ready to record the install of the headers on the Corvette. I think we got like between 10 and 12 inches of snow. I didn't clean the truck because my plan is to clean down there so I don't have more snow on the ground to clean here. You know what I'm saying? So, do you think we're gonna get out? Let's start first. That was easy.
When love comes in, ooh, la, la, la. Love comes.
A few inches later.
Some people ask you when I get stuff done. This is my son, so after he goes to sleep, that's when I get to work on my stuff. I'm gonna wrap my headers. So if you didn't watch the last upload, I got myself a quick jack and I'm gonna install the headers by myself with some friends helping me, and you're probably gonna see the next upload. But today we're gonna wrap the headers. I got these headers from Facebook Marketplace. That wasn't a scheme, thank the Lord, right? But the guy was moving out of stage, was a good deal. A lot of people talk about Speed Engineer. Oh, I'm gonna give it a try. I decided to wrap for many different reasons. I did my research, and wrapping the headers has some benefits to it, right? First, noise. You reduce the noise. Some people said that when you do wrap your headers, you're gonna get rust, and it's not actually true nowadays with the technology on these headers. If you were talking about 30 years ago, maybe, but today the wrapping process helps with holding the temperature on the headers, which helps a lot. This is just a couple of takeaways that why I decided to wrap my headers, and also I think it looks cool. Over here we have the entire exhaust. It's gonna be the X pipe and the headers, and those are the headers that we're gonna wrap. They are brand new. The guy never installed them. Of course, you have to have a plan. I'll explain in a while. This is where we're gonna use it. Exhaust wrap kit. This is titanium. Why I went to titanium? Because it's easier to work with, and that's how it's gonna look like when we're done. The challenge is, I believe, I never done that before, so just keep that in mind. So at some point you need to start wrapping like 2 at a time. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap this one first, see, because then I can start up here. And I'll do the same for this one. Up here, I will wrap the 4 together, and then I split those 2 in singular. Does that make sense? I could wrap the collector too, but we'll see how that goes, right? Comes with the stainless steel bracelets, because you cannot use regular zip ties, of course not. And they send you this tool here on this kit, which is very helpful. The titanium wrap, which I hope this is enough for both headers, so we'll see how that goes, right? I'll show you guys one, and then I'm gonna do a time lapse though, because it's gonna take too much time. I will do like a measure just to see how much we need, and that's the kind of thing I'm doing. Like, I'll do it just like this, just to give him like idea how much we will need, and then I'll give me a little extra just in case. One thing it's important, you gotta overlap, but you cannot overlap too much, is a 1/4 inch. You wrap this around, hold it. It's just like, I think you gotta just be patient, you know what I'm saying? That's why I will show you guys a time lapse. Then we're gonna use one of this that comes with the kit to kind of seal the deal. And this is probably the worst part. There you have our first header, and now I'm gonna do the same for this one here. Alright, it is done. Looks cool, right? Looks really cool. Here are the clamps. So I think the challenge here for me, I don't know how much the time-lapse show it is, knowing the length that you need. Even though I was like measuring, you know, once you start overlapping, I try to keep really even. And it's not perfect though, my first time doing it. And one thing, if I knew ahead of time, I would definitely order 2 of those, because then I would be able to come down here. But it's okay. The only issue, it's like 80 bucks this kit, which is not cheap, but that's how it's looking like. I like it. It's gonna look cool, and it also it's gonna, you know, it's gonna do something good for the car. I'll put this one next to the other one, titanium wrap and normal. All right, I'll do the next one, just repeating the process. And we'll see how the entire thing looks like. All right, let's do the internet module. Boom, just like that, we have our second set of headers wrapped. If you want to wrap all the way to the collector or even the X pipe, just get more. The only thing is this kit is not cheap at all. For those 2 rolls, I pay $95, I believe. Yeah, and it comes with the tool and also the bracelets or the stainless steel, which you need it. But overall, let me grab the other one. Now we have ourselves the 2 headers. Let me just put this down. There we go. Now we have ourselves the headers wrapped. Again, I didn't have enough to go all the way to the collector, but I think this would do. But dude, this thing is looking awesome. Yeah boys, that's it for the wrap of my headers. The car's here ready to get the headers installed. Of course, this is gonna be the next upload. I hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions about the wrapping your headers, let me know. I would if you have it, let me know also. I wanna hear you guys, if you know which kind of experience you have with yours. If you need, I will leave the link in the description for that titanium wrap. Remember, just think about how much you're gonna need it, right? I think I would be in a better shape if I had like bought 2 kits. It's $95, $100 for the kit, so you would be $200 just in wrap. I don't know. Let's see if that part will do. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's upload. I'll see you guys next upload with a new sound for the Corvette, alright? Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.